Welcome back. It feels a bit strange. Haven't done any new content in a couple of weeks. That is because here in England, we've been locked down again. If, like me, you're a travel and food content creator, what do you do if you can't travel? What do you do if you can't get abroad? Well, of course, you bring the food to you. So, a little bit different. I got a little mystery package from Candy Mail. So Candy Mail do different mystery boxes from around the world of different foods. So the one that I've chosen to go for, it's a country that is #1 on my list of countries that I want to go to, and next year, 2021, will definitely see me in this country. But in this box, I'm gonna open it now. It's from Japan. These are Japanese treats, candies, savoury snacks. My goodness, box is packed full. Goodness, look at this. See some of the things in there. I'll run through the things we've got in here, but this is jam-packed. Just gonna dig in, shall I? Oh, some little things. See what this says? I'll just do a little, I don't know if that's ever gonna zoom in on that. It's pineapple gummy candy. That's a little gummy one. There's another one in lychee. These are all little gummies, and this one is mango gummy candy. And this, like a little marble in there. This one is Bok-bunja candy. Any ideas in the comments below what Bok-bunja could mean? B-O-K-B-U-N-J-A, Bok-bunja candy. We'll try it soon. And a little cute strawberry lollipop with a hand on it. High five. What on earth? Supreme grade premium almond candies. These look like Werther's Originals, if you know what they are. Little hard candy butterscotch type sweets with an almond just sort of chucked in for good measure. Starburst bubble gum. Xylitol, isn't that sugar, isn't it? Something sugary, xylitol. The thing is, as you'd imagine, all of the ingredients are in Japanese, but it's got a picture of a lemon and a lime. So it's lemon and lime flavour. Let's have that's something a bit more familiar. Kit Kat, but it's a green one. So, no idea what flavour that might be, but we'll try that in a minute as well. Goodness. So this is an interesting one. It says right down here in the corner in English, super big caps lock, super sour flavour in 3 soda bubble gum. Sour bubble gums. This it's like a little ice cream cone shop thing. Petite pastel. I think you can even open the box up if you. I don't know if that's going to zoom in down there. You can open the box up to look like a. There we go. To look like a little ice cream shop. There's all the different flavours. This little cat fella here seems quite excited about ice cream flavours. Pink, orange, white, green and yellow. Some sort of sour gummies. Doesn't say what flavour they are. Here we go, into the more savoury things now. Wasabi Nori. Premium Japanese potato chips. Wasabi. And so wasabi is spicy hot. It's one of those that gets you right in the nose, like a horseradish. And nori is seaweed, I think. Oh, what's this? It's French pie. I think it's like a little, it's got a picture of apples on it, and it looks a bit like pastry. Maybe it's like a little apple pie thing. These are strawberry cookie sticks. And then, these are just chocolate-filled baseball things. Now here's a couple of interesting sodas in here. So this is sun-kissed grapefruit, sparkling, nice. And I was hoping to get one of these in a glass bottle. Just checking, that's it, that's it. This is, oh, it's cola flavour, so that's a familiar flavour. If you can see the shape of the bottle here, it's got like a little thing. What you do is, in fact, let's go for it. Let's go, let's open the cola and I'll show you exactly what you do. So, peel it off. Got the little green cap. I think that presses down. So, okay. We're doing this completely wrong. The little green cap over the top, you can see here there's like a little ball, like a little glass ball. What that glass ball is going to do is you push it down with this cap, the glass ball pops down into here and it should fizz up. Ready? Set. Hang on. I think maybe you have to take this. Aha! Gotcha. You take this out, you take this bit out, you put it over the glass ball, like that, and then, oh, do you push? Oh! Very easy this, to all the Japanese drinks makers out there. It's definitely worth it. Get in there. Go on. Well, this is not the easiest of things to do. What does it say here on the label that I need to do? Does it say on the bottom? Remove the label and take the thing out. Put it over. I think you got to really whack it down. You got to really whack it. Oh, there we go, and it's gone everywhere. Cut. Action. So, my kitchen now smells like cola ramune. It smells nice. You can see, I don't know if you can see it. Oh yeah, you can. You can see the little ball that sort of popped in, has gone down into there and fizzed it all up. It smells like cola candies, like if you get a cola, maybe like a cola bottle or Maoam with that sort of fake cola taste, which I quite like. Oh, sweet. I mean, not one to just sort of question that, but that design looks very Pepsi to me. So the makers at Hatter make cola ramune. First of all, you pop the ball in and it goes everywhere. It's quite sweet. I like that. But I think your marketing team have just gone online and looked at Pepsi and very heavily used that as an influence. But good start, good. Let's start with some of the smaller items, I guess. Let's start with the mango. See what these are. I'm not going to eat all of these, just want to see what they are. Oh, it's just It's just a really small gummy. Oh, that smell. Mmm. Now this, I said I had an idea what I think this might be. Comment below if you've got an idea, but it's all in Japanese. So I don't know. I think this is going to be matcha green tea. Look at it. That is a Kit Kat. It's bright green. Oh. It smells is that matcha green tea? Matcha green tea has quite a specific flavour. I'm not sure that's it. I think this might be, pistachio. It's really good. I think it might be pistachio. I think the green and the fact that I know that they do matcha green tea Kit Kats, I think it's pistachio. It's very good. If anybody knows what that is, please let me know in the comments below, because I really want to buy more of these. That was delicious. I do think it was pistachio. Let's try some gummies, shall we? They come in a resealable pack. Like that. And you can see in there, they're all green, and they're all shaped like that. I couldn't begin to tell you what flavour I think these are. It says bourbon on here, but I think that might be the brand. They're called fettuccine gummies, I think. That's how you probably pronounce that. And fettuccine is not this, so. They're nice. Lime, I think. Lime, and again, if you know, please comment below, because these are delicious and I want to buy more of these. And maybe they do other flavours. I think it's lime. Xylitol. I'm sure this is sugar, medicinal. They come individually wrapped as well. Looks like a little chewing gum. I think it's chewing gum. I'm not going to swallow this. It's chewing gum, and it's got a bit of a lemon and a lime on the packet, but it's quite it tastes like aloe vera or eucalyptus oil. These aren't very good. I don't like these ones. I'll be gifting those out for Christmas. Individual in people's stockings. Right, you've got the Starburst bubblegum, strawberry chunks. It's going to be strawberry flavoured. Let's try this then. French pie. Apple flavoured French pie. Oh my goodness. Everything else has been so nicely wrapped. I assume this would have some sort of thing on the inside, but no, it's just crumbling away. It's stuck to the packet. Peeling it off. Peeling it off. Oh god, and now I'm just getting crumbs all over. Oh no. Getting crumbs all over where the cola drink went. So this has got like a, you see that, like a apple. Apple like jelly or jam on it. really flaky pastry. This doesn't seem like a product that should be in a packet. This seems like something that could be in like a fresh bakery, really. But they're nice warm. Tastes a bit coconut. Smells a bit coconut. Again, if anybody knows what that is, what's in it, let me know. Delicious. I won't eat any more. Let's go for, I know these are going to be nice. Look at that. Strawberry cookie stick things. Now I've had variations of these with chocolate before, and they come inside the box is a bag, and inside the bag are loads of these. This one's got knobbly bobbly bits on it. Don't know what the translation for that would be. Just knobbly chunks of strawberry cookie. Smells strawberry. Yeah. It's like almost like a strawberry, almost like a yogurt, like a hard set yogurt with chunks of strawberry cookie on this, almost like a breadstick. They're good. They're really good. Can I open the ice cream shop? Oh, well, I think I've ruined the display thing. Put it all in here. It tells you how to do it and to get it to look like a ice cream shop. Little bags where all the goodies are. I'll try one of these. I'll tell you what they are. They are, not as I expected in here. They look like little, oh, they are. They're little chocolate ice cream cones with crispy balls on them. So in the candy shell, like crispy, don't know, wafer or biscuit, just a chunk of chocolate on the bottom. Nice. No point, unless you've got kids mucking around trying to get them to look like the ice cream factory. Let's go straight into these then. I think I know what these will be like. Oh, see, that's covered in a cola drink. It went everywhere. I've just splattered my face. It's fine. We continue. They look like little profiteroles. You can see they've been stuffed full of chocolate. Oh, they're soft. They are like little shoe pastry buns with it's like a Nutella style chocolate on the inside. Nice, would have been better if they were a crisp biscuit. You have a look at these. Supreme grade almond candies. Now these come individually wrapped as well. Gotta say this, the candies from Japan and generally these little sweet treats, they're all very well wrapped. They're wrapped inside wrappers. You wouldn't get that in the UK. These would have just come loose in the original bag. Very almond. Very almond. Only small. Only small. It is like a butterscotch style hard candy with an almond pressed in the top. And that's. Let's try these. Wasabi Nori. So these are going to be spicy-ish crisps. Ooh. Going to taste like wasabi and seaweed. Yeah, good wasabi. Not too strong, so it hasn't whacked you. If you know anything about wasabi, you have it in your sushi or anything like that, or horseradish, it gets you here, goes right up behind your nose and under your eyes, and your eyes thing. This isn't too strong. The flavour's great. Save this till last. Super sour bubble gum. Again, let me know if I can't figure out what this is, flavour wise. Let me know. A little flower shape. I think after all that, it's strawberry, I think. Yeah, it's just a strawberry hard candy. Might be wrong. Again, if you know what flavour it is, hit me up. Finally, what are these called? Super sour flavour in 3 soda bubblegum. I get a feeling these are going to be really sour. I get a feeling these are going to be really, really sour. I think they've got stuff inside. I think these are going to explode in my mouth with sour. A burst of something. I like sour stuff, but wow. That's good. Soft. Wow. That tastes really good. Now look, I know this is a little bit different. There's any other countries you think I should get some international treats from before I go away in a couple of weeks? Let me know. I have an order from Candy Mail again. Get some new treats in. But all in all, Japanese snacks. I'm going to go a solid 7 out of 10. Don't normally do food ratings. I don't normally eat a box of mystery Japanese treats in my kitchen here at Travel for Food HQ. So 7 out of 10 Japanese treats. Good score. Could be better. Could be a lot worse. See you next time. Peace out.